Good morning, student. I, Purnima, is going to revise with you the lesson message writing. And before that, I would like to welcome you all in my English class. So first of all, children, what is a message? This word we have been hearing many times. Pass the message, send the message on the phone. Okay, but here, children, the different meaning of message is there. The purpose of writing message is to give information. Indirectly and directly, message means to give information or news to a person who is not present. Give information to a person who is not present at the time of speaking. This is usually written on the basis of a conversation between two or more people. Usually there is a telephonic conversation, but this is actually not necessary. But children, in the examination, generally we give the question and answer which is based on telephonic conversation. Now, few things you have to keep in mind. As the information is given to a third person who is not present, the person for whom the message is meant and the writer should be picked carefully. A message is usually written in a reported speech. Salutation and signature should be written in short. Okay, and children, the word limit of message is 50 words. It should be kept in mind. Only relevant information should be given in the message writing in the least possible word. Anything that has not been mentioned in the given conversation should not be written. Each and every information must be made clear. Each and every information must be made clear so that the receiver or whom the message is meant for doesn't get confused. Okay, so usually the word limit of a message is 50 words, but it might be different as well. Anyway, the word limit is given in the question itself. Okay, children, there is a negative marking also. If you will write the message in less than 50 words, then your marks will be cut. If you will write more than 50 words, then also your marks will be cut. Now for every writing section we are having format. Okay, so we are having this here also. We will follow a particular format which I am going to write on the board. So children, there is a particular format for message writing, that is message. Okay, message. So here first of all, in the first line we have to write message with the capital letter. See the format, how I'm writing the format. Message should be written with the capital letter. Then you have to write the date and time at the right hand side. Date at the left hand side and time at the right hand side. Then you have to write children salutation. Then the message should be there in 50 words. Content of the message should be there in 50 words. Okay, and then you have to leave one line, and here you have to write children subscription. Okay, after subscription you have to write sender's name. Whoever has given the message, write the name, and then you have to close the box. So this is the format of the message. You have to draw a box, rectangular box. Message should be written in the front. Okay, date at the left hand side, time at the right hand side, salutation, content of the message in 50 words, and then you have to write subscription and name of the person. So in this way, children, you will be writing your message writing. So this is the format for message writing. So few telephonic conversation I am going to read, and you have to find it out that which message is there. So given below is a telephonic conversation between Astha and Sonam. There are two people are there. Astha and Sonam are there. So now I'm going to read one question. Given below is a telephonic conversation between Astha and Sonam. Two persons are there, There is a telephonic conversation between Asta and Sonam. Asta is about to leave home and won't be able to meet her mother. She leaves a message for her mother. Write her message in your answer sheet. Put the message in a box. Sonam. Hello, can I speak to Mrs. Chopra? Now, children, you have to hear this question. This is a telephonic conversation and I'm reading it. So, Sonam is telling, hello, can I speak to Mrs. Chopra? Asta, she is not at home. Is he? Now, Sonam is telling, hello, can I speak to Mrs. Chopra? Asta is telling, she is not at home. Is it Sonam speaking? Sonam is telling, oh yes, Asta. Where is your mummy? I have a message for her. Now children, 3% should be there in message writing. Sonam is there and she wanted to speak to Mrs. Chopra. Mrs. Chopra right now is not at home. On her behalf, her daughter has picked up the phone. So Sonam is telling, oh yes, Asta, where is your mummy? I have a message for her. Now children, the message writing is for that person who is not present. So right now, Mrs. Chopra is not present at home. So Asta is telling, Mummy has gone outside and will be back after half an hour. What is the message? Now she want to pick up the message. Sonam, well, the message is from my mother. She was to visit you this evening, but she won't be able to come. So children, Sonam is telling the message was from her mother. She was to visit you this evening, but she won't be able to come. Asta, what is the matter? Is auntie all right? Sonam, oh, mummy is quite okay. Actually, my uncle and aunt have arrived from Delhi. Mummy will be busy attending to them. Asta, I will inform my mother. Bye. Sonam, bye. So you can see, children, 3% will always be will be there. So who are the 2% who is having telephonic conversation here? It is Sonam and Asta. And children, it is Asta. Sonam wanted to give message to Asta mother, as her mother was going to come to her house, and today she won't be able to come to her house as she is busy, very busy. So now you have to write the message. Now Asta have to leave somewhere, so she has to leave one message. She has to give that message to her mother. So you can see how she has to write a message. Now this is the format. Once again I revise. You have to draw a square box, rectangular box. You have to write message, date, time, salutation and subscription. So now I am going to write the message. First of all, what you will write? Message in the center. Then you have to write the date here. What is the date here? 16th January 2021, and till the time also, time 9 a.m. Okay. Now you have to write the message. Salutation will be mummy. Okay. So what message you will write? Sonam rang up to say. Sonam rang up to say that her mother who was to visit her, her mother who was to visit her this evening won't be able to come as her uncle and aunt have arrived she will be busy attending them. She will be busy attending them. So as per the instruction and format message, you have to write here. Then 16 January 2001, 9 a.m. and I am reading the message. Now children, the message was for mummy. So in the salutation, you have to write mummy. Sonam ran up to say that her mother, who was to visit her this evening, won't be able to come as her uncle and aunt have arrived from Delhi. She will be busy attending them. Okay. Now you have to write the person to by whom the message is given. So children, here you have to write Astha. What you have to write? Astha. In the subscription, you have to write Astha. So in this way, children, we have written message. Okay. So now I hope how you have written the message. Now few messages will be doing once again, and you have to hear it. Like, read the following conversation carefully. I'm going to do 2 to 3 messages with you so that you can see how I'm going to write the message. Akshita, hello, is it 98629? That is your mobile number. Rana, yes please. Who's it there? Who is it there? Rakshita, I'm Akshita, a friend of Nisha. Where is she? Rana, oh sorry, actually she has forgotten her mobile here. She has gone to the market. Can I help you please? Akshita, oh sure. In fact, I wanted to convey her that today music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. Could you please pass this message to her? Rana, oh sure, why not? Akshita, thank you. Rana, it's my pleasure. So children, two person Akshita and Rana is there. Okay, and Akshita, she is telling she wanted to pass a message to Nisha, who is right now she is not here. She has gone to the market, and Akshita want to give her a message that her music class is suspended because her teacher is not well. Now since she is not there, so the phone was attended by Rana, her sister, and Akshita has requested her to pass the message. Now children, the thing is that the person to whom the message should be passed, she is not here. Rana has to leave for her tuition class. Okay, so as Rana is going to her tuition, she needs to reproduce the message for Nisha. Write the message on her behalf with every detail. Now children, you see how I am going to write the message. So children, you can see first thing children what we have to write. We have to write message in the center with the capital letter. We have to write the date 16th January 2021, and then children 8 a.m. you can write, or p.m. you can write. And now you will be writing, dear Nisha. Okay, now you will be starting your message. Today your friend Akshita had called upon you. Today your friend Akshita had called to you when you had been to the market. When you had been to the market. In fact, she had to tell you that your music classes shall remain suspended shall remain suspended because your teacher is not well. Instead, it would be held tomorrow. If you like, you may talk to her. Okay. And then children, what you will write in the subscription, you will write Rana. Okay. Close the box. So children, you can see how I've written the message. 16 January 2021. Okay. Then 8 a.m. or p.m. you can write something. You can write 3 p.m. That is more suitable. That would be more suitable. Now, dear Nisha. Now Nisha is not there. Her sister had to give her message. So this is the message she has written. Today, your friend Akshita had called to you when you had been to the market. In fact, she had to tell you that your music classes shall remain suspended because your teacher is not well. Instead, it will held tomorrow. If you like, you may talk to her, Rana. So, children, in this way, we write the message. The message is for that person who is not present at home. So, who is not present at home? Nisha is not present at home. In the subscription, you will write the name of that person who is giving the message. So who is giving the message here? Rana is giving message to Nisha, and Rana is giving message to Nisha because she also has to go to her tuition classes. She won't be there at home, so she has written a message and she must have kept it somewhere. Okay, so in this way, children, message writing is there. Always remember, children, in message writing, message is a short communication sent from one person to another, or the central theme or idea of the communication should be written. Mention the time and date when the message mention is written. If you will not write time and date and yes, children, the important thing is that you have to mind when you will write the time. You have to see what time will be suitable. Like here, I have written PM. Okay. Now give a salutation, for example, dear father, uncle, or dear Nisha. Like here, message should always be there in a rectangular box. In notice writing box is there, but that is a square box, and message here is a rectangular box. Remember to give only important points. Do not add any other information. Put the signature at the end of the message. Abbreviation and symbol can be used. For example, MD is for managing direction. So these are some of the important point of the message writing, and you have to see, children, that message should be now sometimes, children, message is there in the form of a letter also. Like here, telephonic conversation is there. Sometime in the form of the letter also the message is written. Okay, so one more message I will be writing to you people. Message, you have to see few things in the message. The person to whom the message is to whom the message is given, you have to write that name in the salutation. And the subscription, the person who is giving the message, that should be written in the subscription. Okay, and sometimes the message is in the form of the letter. You have to read the letter and then you have to write the message. Nowadays that is very less is coming in the examination. Only telephonic conversation message is coming in the examination. so you have to see that also. All right, now one more message writing I will be telling to you. Okay. Okay, so your Muskan, your father is on tour. Now remember, your father is on tour and you are Muskan. Okay, and your father is on tour. So you are Muskan and your father is on tour. Today morning he called upon your mother. As your mother was not at home, you received the call and had the following conversation with him. Father, hello, who's speaking? Yourself, Muskan is here. Your father, well, Muskan, I am now in Bangalore. Where's your mom? Yourself, Papa, she has gone to the market and will be back in an hour. Have you any message for her? Father, oh yes, please tell her that my meeting may prolong for 2 more days. In that case, I may be back on the 2 days afterwards. Otherwise, I will return as per scheduled program. After coming back, we will go to Manali, so be ready for that. Yourself. Thank you, Papa. I will convey it to mom. Now, as you are leaving for your dance class, okay, you have to leave message for your mother in not more than 50 words. So you are your children, you have to leave for the dance class and you have to give message for your mother. Okay, so how you are going to write it, let's see. Now children, message will be written in the center. Children, mm, anytime you can write it 5 p.m, any convenient time. Date is written according to the format. Date is written, message is written in the center with a capital letter. Date is written at the left hand side and time is written at the right hand side. Now you have to write the message that what your father has written to send to your mom. So what you will write, dear mom. Okay, and then you will start writing your message. Father had called upon you. Father had called upon you when you went for the market. Okay, when you went for the market, he has left a message. He has left a message that a meeting will be extended by maybe extended for 2 more days. For 2 more days more. In that case, he will not be able to come. He would not be able to come on 18th January 2021. Okay. Otherwise, he will be back as per the schedule. Otherwise, he would be back as per the schedule. Okay. When he returns, he has a program to take us to Manali. So be ready for that. And then so children, this is, and then what you will write in the salutation, any name of yourself. Muskan you can write, because here it is there, even there in the question, Muskan. So I am writing here Muskan, you will write it in the subscription. Okay, so this is the message. Father had called upon you when you went for the market. He has left a message that a meeting may be extended for 2 more days more. In that case, he would not be able to come on 18th January 2021. Otherwise, he would be back as per the schedule. When he returns, he has to program. He has a program to take us to Manali. Be ready for that. Now, here, children, in the subscription, you will write Muskan. So you can see the message was for mom who is not present. Okay, so we will one more message writing we will do. And what is that? Yes, some official message now. As receptionist, this is an official message, okay, not the general. As receptionist at a hotel, you had the following conversation with Miss Neha Dikshit, the HR manager of a publishing house. Neha: hello, is it Hotel Pearl Regency, Rajouri Garden, New Delhi? Receptionist: yes, it is. What can I do for you? I am receptionist here. Neha Dikshit: hi, this is Neha, HR manager from Glorious Publishers Limited, Delhi. So I just wanted to know that we have planned to organize a 2 days conference at Rajouri Garden. Do you have any conference hall? Receptionist: of course, ma'am, we have. Neha Dikshit: could you please email or fax me on your tariff ASAP so that we can discuss and finalize it sooner? Receptionist: oh, sure, ma'am. Please tell me your email ID or fax number. My email ID is so and so. You have to write the email ID. And my fax number is 01140 whatever the fax number should be written. Okay, then receptionist: oh, ma'am, I will do it ASAP. It would be our pleasure to serve your company. Neha Dikshit: that's okay. So now, children, you see this is an official message, not the general message. Okay, now as your shift is over, now children, you are a receptionist. Now your shift is over, and you are now over. Now leave a message for the manager for the follow up action in not more than 50 words. Now children, since your shift is over, you're not going to stay back at the hotel, and you have to give this important message to the manager of the hotel. So how you are going to write it, let me tell you. Okay, so let me read the message first, and then I will be telling you what to do. So children, message you will be writing in a box and to write the message, and you have to write the message 10th June. Okay, now today's date 16 January 2021 at 6 p.m. you can write. Then, dear sir, there was a call from Mrs. Neha Dikshit, the HR manager of the publishing house Glorious Publishers Limited at Delhi. She has asked for the quotations of tariff for a 2 days conference arrangement of her company at our hotel. She is asked to email or fax it ASAP so that she could decide at the earliest. Her email ID is so and her fax number is so and so. Okay, do the needful, and then you have to write, children, your this thing. So you can see how she has written the message. Okay, so first how she has written, there was a call from Mrs. Neha Dikshit, the HR manager of the publishing house Glorious Publisher Limited at Delhi. Now she has to give the detail from where she was. Okay, and what she's asking, she has asked for the quotation of tariff for a 2 days conference arrangement for her company at our hotel. She has asked to email or fax it ASAP so that she could decide at the earliest. Her email ID, now children, you have to write the email ID also, and you have to write her fax number also, and then children you will be write that who is writing. So you have to write name. If the name is given, fine, otherwise you can write any name like Prerna. So in this way children, we have completed message writing. Okay, thank you and have a nice day ahead, and tomorrow we will do some other writing section. Bye bye.